Shit. This is Bosch. I have an ADW with a vehicle on a PO. Gray SUV headed on Blue Heights Drive toward the valley.
I need an airship and give the units the following access points.
All units stand by. All three officers pursuit an ADW suspect in Hollywood Hills. Last on direction along Blue Heights Drive toward the valley.
6 William Lincoln 21, I'm in the Hollywood Hills. Hello, Mulholland.
Any airship come up on Hollywood frequency. 6 William Lincoln 21. Location in the Hollywood Hills. West of Cahuenga, north of Mahone.